This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. I have leftover colors in an 8 by 10 inch canvas, and I am planning on using them probably with my shovel. They look pretty darn cool in the dish. I hope they're not so gloppy that they won't work. I think I'm going to use some of my Meeden white. I had a paint chip. Go figure. It is being sieved through cheesecloth. It had some filaments. Here's some of my Meeden black. This is a hit and run painting. Let's just do this thing. It's a dirty dish pour, and I might need to grab a spatula to even get it out of there. Let's see if I can grab one. Whoops, not really. I probably should have spread the black and white. I could have spread the black and white, and then, but we'll see what happens. Rather than waste my paint, I'm just going to get rid of it right now on the canvas. Who knows, I might see something worth keeping. I doubt it. I'll try and list the colors. I think there were a lot of them from the previous video. I'm throwing that spatula in the bucket too. I've got a small edge catcher. That shovel's going in the bucket. Everything is going in the bucket. Oh, looks like my turntable is extremely unlevel. Let's just put that right back in the painting. I like that white line, that's pretty cool. If I need to put something else in here, I will. Purely accidental art at this point. I want pink. Let's put a little passion in there. And what else do I want? How about some Mayan gold? I need to get the paint off my hands. Just put a, this is edge catcher. I'm doing edge catchers today, so. Now, if you took the painting away and leveled out the edge catcher, you could put the paint on the other side, which might be an interesting idea to try. But usually what I do is this. Throw it right back in there again. Because that can be fun. And then if I still don't like what I've got, I can always use some Aussie Floetrol laden cell activator. Can go back and forth a bunch of times. Move your edge catcher down so you don't destroy the edge you just made. Be willing to take off paint you used. I see something in there. That was a bubble. Good thing. Now sometimes I leave a thumbprint, but I like to use my fingernail to hold this side. And then I'm going to roll it down to fill a spot or to change the pattern and squeeze it back on. It does get slippery, there is no doubt about it. You have to be ready for that. You can take your paint off that's falling. It's accumulating on the sides, if you're lucky. Come on. It was caught on a glob. Come on, come on, come on. We can do this. See, by squeezing it, you actually force that drip down. Put that down. Colors are pretty awesome. There's a 20% off coupon code for Colourarte products underneath the video. These are all Prizm pours or primary elements used in this, other than the black and the white. What do I want to do to this? Anything? I want to get the paint off my hand for a second. There's going to be a cleanup session after dinner, I can tell you now. Now, I could put a skewer in there. I could also dribble whatever I want. Right off. The edge catcher. Just to make it a little more interesting. Add some dimension, hopefully. If I hate it, I could put chain in or basting brush. Or even, like I was saying, frog in my throat. I'm wondering what color I have. Seems like white would be the best one. I'm just going to leave this to dry. And grab my largest oh, the top came off. There we go. I got it. Now, what was I saying? I was saying I wanted I've got some magenta. I hope I don't hate this. That's the Pebeo Gold Iridescent Precious. Let me see where I want this to go. That's interesting. I could put a little more white down there. I don't know if it'll work when on top of the black I've just put in there, but it's worth a shot. I love the cells in there. They're great. I wish this would stop turning. I'll figure it out. If anybody's got a suggestion, please let me know. I'm going to use my I actually swiped a gap down into the I think that's pretty cute. Good use of leftovers. Might even wind up in the monthly drawing if I start doing one again soon-ish, someday, along with an exhibition video there. Pop a bubble. I'm kind of wondering about down here. I still think I might like some white down there with the magenta and the gold. Yeah, I know, I went over that. Don't even know if that'll stay. That was probably one swipe too many. But I still like it. Okay. Other than looking for bubbles, I think I'm done. I'm not anywhere near done cleaning up my horrendous mess. I am going to shimmer that at you right after I torch. I use a propane torch instead of a butane torch because they last me 6 months and they always turn on, and I have a lot of trouble with butane torches. Alright, let me get up there and get down there. Shimmer that at you. She's a smoking. I tried to set it on fire. I hope not. Yeah, that's beautiful. And it'll spontaneously turn on its own too. Alright, so you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Use up your leftovers. Leftovers are great. I gotta not turn it too fast. I have a friend who gets seasick when I spin my turntable. And you could spin this out if you wanted to. For sure, if you had pillow paint underneath it. Look at those cute little cells right there. I wish I could get closer for you. Alright. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos, watching them longer, asking questions, making comments. I really appreciate you being here. I post 7 days a week, 3:15 Eastern Standard Time. I can see there are a few bubbles. And generally speaking, I'm going to try and pop them. Even though I kind of skimmed up the surface a little bit. I think it'll be okay. Actually, that is gorgeous up close. So I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Check my community board for tomorrow's video. Know that I have 2,700 videos organized by topic, genre, and by the 100. And you can find them by going to my channel and checking playlists, all playlists, created playlists. Or you can just ask me because I've got them saved for you. I'm ready. Anytime you are. I do sell my artwork. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. On my link tree, you will find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. My Amazon link is a great place to shop at no added cost to you and helps me out as an affiliate. And I have 2 books there because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. All the tools, all the processes, all the descriptions, early videos. Really good ones, though. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I love you guys. Thanks for inspiring the heck out of me. Bye for now. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Priscilla out.